Hello world! It's so sad. As to the Entertainment Tonight news, it said that 5 people in Argentina are being charged in connection to the death of Liam Payne on October 16. According to a statement from Argentina's National Criminal and Correctional Prosecutor's Office, a hotel manager and receptionist at the Casa Sur, along with one of Liam's friends being charged with manslaughter after the 31-year-old One Direction singer fell from a third-floor hotel balcony and died. The hotel manager is being charged for allegedly failing to prevent Liam from being taken up to his hotel room just before his death, while his friend is being charged with failing to give the singer's assistance and abandoning him while knowing he suffered from multiple dependency. As for the receptionist, that person has been charged with manslaughter after allegedly asking 3 people to drag Liam, who reportedly could not stand on his own, up to his room instead of keeping him safe. Additionally, a hotel employee and waiter are being charged with supplying Payne with nose candy and 4 to 15 years imprisonment. May Liam find peace as he seeks justice now. Good day everyone. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!